7 is on your side tonight with a health alert about the flu.
You know, the flu is becoming a real problem across the country despite the vaccine. Some school systems and daycares in other states have even had to close because so many students have the flu.
That's right. 7 on your side's Kimberly Souters is in a help center tonight where medical experts are taking your questions about the flu and the vaccine as well tonight. Kimberly.
Yes, we've got doctors, nurses, pharmacists all standing by. Leon Allison, I have to admit, I haven't yet gotten my flu shot. That's going to change in the next 30 minutes. We're going to do it live here on our air. Please do call our help desk. All these folks are standing by to answer your questions about the flu. That number, 703-236-9220. In the meantime, we spent a little bit of time over at Children's Hospital today where a lot of people were lining up to get their flu shots. This mother from Southeast got her flu shot 3 months ago, yet here she sits in Children's National, sick with flu.
I've seen people still getting the flu even though they got the shot, but they're recommending it anyway.
11-year-old Jonathan Dillum got his shot because he doesn't want to miss school. How many days out of the year do you wear that mask?
Till flu season's over.
We're in the first wave right now. It hit earlier this year with 3 months to go. Even though he works in a hospital, Alan Fayard is skipping out on the vaccine. How long have you gone without taking a flu shot?
Since I was out of the military, at least over about 10 years now. No flu vaccines for 10 years.
And have you gotten the flu in that time?
I'm gonna say no.
The effectiveness of this year's vaccine is hard to determine right in the middle of flu season because of something called flu drift, subtle changes in the virus that make it a bad match for the pre-produced vaccine. The last flu drift was 2007, and the CDC found the shot was only 30 to 40% effective. But that's still better than zero.
I would strongly recommend, as everybody, the CDC and everybody, all the experts do, that vaccine still remains our best option for preventing influenza infections from occurring. And that still remains true even with the drift event. Because
the flu is catching in our region. Maryland already at widespread levels. Virginia expected to follow Friday when new CDC numbers come out, causing hospitals in the region to temporarily restrict visitors to protect the most vulnerable patients. Now, we want to let you know some of the groups who are here to answer your calls. We have a Target pharmacist, a nurse with a PhD from the GW School of Nursing. Her husband's homesick with the flu. A Walgreens pharmacist, the Virginia Hospital Center, Sunrise Senior Living Center, a nurse from there, and also the Farragut Medical and Travel Care. We have a physician from that private practice. This is a great group of folks. They are standing by to answer your questions. That number again, 703-236-9220. Live from the 7 on Your Side Help Center, I'm Kimberly Souters. Back to you in the studio.
All right, some great resources come together there.